everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. So this model is perfect for my Santo Domingo airport, Caribbean Airlines 737 from Phoenix 1400. Again, it's from eBay, like the previous one. Registration 9 Yankee Alpha November uniform. Because there's also this available, the plain version, because one has a bird on the tail and one doesn't. I have the one with the bird luckily. So let's open it up. There's all the plastic and everything. No damage on it. Just having a final check. It's very light, that's about this model. I thought it would be a little bit heavier. Right, here we go. Looks good. I don't know if Caribbean Airlines still exists, but I will Google that right there. In the front here we have your cockpit windows, the small heater tube, the nose, front landing gear, L1 boarding door. I believe this is for the stairs, this little thing underneath the door. Caribbean Airline title is all the way down the fuselage. CaribbeanAirlines.com on the engine. You can see a little blue here on the winglet. Registration once again 9 Yankee Alpha November uniform, and we have the Trinidad and Tobago flag there, the red one, but the blue one I've got no idea what that is. And a nice bird on the tail. If someone knows what bird that is, comment below. I'm interested. Same on the other side. As always, just have your back cargo hold there. Oh, what is that little triangle? Interesting, right? There on the side, you have your front gear with your door, antenna there, hole for the gear would go, hole for the stand, 2 antennas, and your, as I said, this model is perfect for Santo Domingo because of course Santo Domingo is in the Caribbean and that's Caribbean Airlines. So yeah, thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.